Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about one of the most advanced animals, the mammals. Now, when we talk about the mammals, mammals are the amniotes that have hair and produce milk. These are the two unique characteristics. And when we talk about the amniotes, it means that their embryo is covered by a thin protective layer, which is called as amnion, which is present in the eggs of the mammals. Now, when we talk about the mammals, there are more than 5,200 species, and they are large clades of vertebrates. And their unique feature is that they possess hair as well as mammary glands. When we talk about these characteristics, the hairs are very unique, which are present only in the mammals. Their function is protective in nature. It protects their body from the external environment or the harsh condition of external environments. While the mammary glands, they produce milk, which help to feed their young ones. Now, when we talk about the different clades of mammals, there are three major groups or subgroups. One is monotremes, then we have marsupials, and the last we have eutherian or placental mammal. Now, uh, the unique characteristics of having their body covered with hair as well as possessing mammary glands which produce milk for their young ones. They also have some other glands which help them to adapt different environments. Those glands include sebaceous glands. These are the glands, you know, that they are present in their skin, and they help to nourish the hair and to produce oil which protects from the radiating sun. Then they have eccrine glands, apocrine glands, and the uniquely mammary glands which help them nourish their newborn babies. Other than that, mammals, they have four-chamber heart. This is a unique structure and one of the most specialized one. And then they also have a highly developed brain. Plus, the unique feature which distinguish them from the other animal is the presence of placenta. Placenta is actually an organ which helps in the exchange of material from mother to the embryo, which is being developed inside the body of the mothers in case of mammal. Now, what happens that through placenta, a series of blood vessels of mother and the embryo, they are connected with each other, and through which the nourishment and oxygen is supplied from mother to the embryo, which is being developed inside the body of the mother, while uh, the excretory products is exchanged, or carbon dioxide is exchanged from the newborn baby to the mother through these blood vessels. So this placenta is a very unique feature which is present in these advanced mammals. Now, by carrying their young ones or their embryos inside their body also serves a great purpose of protection, because if they lay eggs outside their body, there are chances that predators can hunt or prey on those eggs. So the placental mammals, they have acquired a unique characteristics that their embryos, their young ones, are present for in their body for a definite period of time, and this adds to the additional protection as compared to the other animals we have discussed previously.